Now, healthcare workers from across Argentina are marching in the capital, demanding better pay and working conditions. Doctors, nurses and technicians from the main pediatric hospital in Buenos Aires have called a 24-hour strike as part of the movement. Daniel Schweimler is in the Argentinian capital for us. Daniel, just take us through the mood on that street that you're in right now.
Well, there's a mood of great anger that President Javier Milei's stringent cuts to public spending, first of all, hit teachers and lecturers across the country, pensioners, and now the hospital system. Doctors, medical staff don't strike easily. They will keep working in the most difficult conditions. But doctors, especially at the hospital you mentioned, the Garrahan Pediatric Hospital, are angry. They have been joined by trade unions, by other people, patients, the families of patients at the hospital. They've marched from the Congress, Argentine Congress behind me, and they are marching to the government palace, the Casa Rosada or Pink House, to try to get President Javier Milei to listen to their demands. They say conditions at the hospitals across Argentina, but especially the Garrahan, have been cut to the bone. They don't have enough equipment. Doctors and nurses say that their wages are not enough. Many of them have been leaving to go into the private sector or leaving the country altogether. We've been talking to some of the families of patients here in Buenos Aires who have been talking about what the Garrahan Hospital has done for them. It has saved lives. People are getting very emotional about the situation. It's not just the hospital, it's a big part of the community here. But President Javier Milei was celebrating a couple of days ago the fact that inflation in Argentina, previously one of the worst in the world, has now been reduced to 1.6% a month for the month of June. He says that's necessary, that stringent cuts to public health system, hospitals, medical, educational establishments must be cut, that his main aim in government is to reduce inflation to a manageable level. The price that the people here are having to pay are these cuts to the hospitals, to the education system. That's why they're marching, that's why they're angry, that's why they've been getting so emotional here on the streets of Buenos Aires.
Daniel Schweimler there, live for us in the Argentinian capital.